Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you are here for today's crafting tutorial because we are going to be turning some old crusty garland into these beautiful wreaths. So if you're excited to see me transform this into this, then keep watching. Alright guys, so for today's craft, because we are DIYing our own wreaths, we are going to need quite a bit of supplies. You're going to need some type of wire wreath frame. I got mine from the Dollar Tree, so you can't beat that. I'm using some old garland that I've had forever to actually make my wreath out of, but you could also buy a super inexpensive plain wreath that is already on a frame that's just ready to decorate if you'd rather do that. This was just way cheaper because I knew I already had the garland to go on the frame. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun with some hot glue sticks. You might need some floral wire, in which case you will also need a pair of wire cutters. And then for the fun part, you can get whatever you want to use to decorate. So I had some of this old mesh ribbon laying around in one of my gift wrap boxes, so I'm going to be using this on the wreath today. And then I already had this ribbon laying around. I got this ribbon while I was at the Dollar Tree. And then for just some extra decor, I picked up some of these cute little foam snowflakes, and we will be using those on the wreath as well. All right guys, I'm super stoked to jump into this, so let's get started. Okay, so this part is for anyone who is DIYing their own wreath like I am. If you went ahead and bought a pre-made wreath, then you can go ahead and decorate that and skip this step. But for those of you who are DIYing your own wreath like me, this is where we will start. So you're going to want to take your garland, and you could use some floral wire if you needed to for some extra support. But because I'm using this garland and the wire is still in good shape, I'm just going to be using the actual garland to kind of hold itself into place. So I just kind of like to put the beginning of the garland on one side of my wire frame here. And I basically just take like each little branch of the garland and kind of wrap it around different parts of the frame. I try to conceal that wire frame as best as I can. And we do have enough garland that we are going to be wrapping around this whole wire frame twice. So don't be afraid, because it will look a little thin at first, but then once we make our second pass over, it will start to shape up. Alright guys, so there is our full wreath, and it is all attached to that frame. Super secure. So now for the fun part, and we are ready to decorate it. First, I'm going to go ahead and add this ribbon. All right, guys, so I want to go ahead and make my bow, and I just have a long piece. This is probably about 2.5 to 3 feet, and I'm just going to take my ends and cross them over each other. I'm going to make an X like so. Okay, and then I'm just going to kind of cinch it together, and I just cut off a tiny piece of my floral wire, and I'm going to bunch that up. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the next ribbon. And I'm just going to put it right over that white bow that we already did. Okay, and then to trim the ends of your bow, you can either leave them flat if you like that. You can cut them at a slant, which sometimes I do, but in this case, I want your classic tail. So I'm gonna fold the ribbon in half and I'm going to cut slanted upwards at about 45-degree angle. And then you have a perfect classic tail. Okay, so there is our first wreath. Okay, and then I had this wreath, which I flocked. It originally looked just like that other green garland, but when I did my flocked Christmas tree video, I also flocked this wreath after I had framed it out and set it up and everything, and this is the end result of that flocking. I think it looks so good. So now we are going to make it even more beautiful by decorating it. right, and now that one's done. Alright guys, well that is where I'm going to leave you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.